I'm going to talk about the basic presentation formatting style guidelines for the Scientific Lab report. It's important when you go through these guidelines that you're looking at your academic discourse marking criteria so you know what's meant to be included. The way it works is each element needs to be done correctly throughout to get the element ticked off that you have completed this throughout the assignment. Presentation and formatting, there's 6 key elements to consider for this section. So firstly, it needs a title page. The title page needs to include your name, in this case with the name up here. It's followed by the student number. So in this instance, Frank Stewart's student number is 94811111. Then we've got the report title. In this case, it's Choice Reaction Time and Hicks Law. And finally, we've got a word count at the bottom. It's very important that you put this word count in, and it's very important that it's accurate. Taking into account that the word count doesn't include tables, doesn't include figures, doesn't include anything, any appendices, it doesn't include anything in the referencing list as well. The next thing we need to look at is consistency of font types and size. Majority of the time you're being asked to perform this in Calibri 12. That's what we like to stick to with this scientific report style. The whole thing's in Calibri 12. We've got our headings just bolded and clearly visible. We can either do it in 1.5 or double space. We achieve that by just highlighting all the information. And we go up here and you can see this one here is double space. Either one is fine. Text justified to both margins. What that means is you've got a straight edge down the left hand side. You've also got a straight edge down at the right hand side. We achieve this by these little tags up here. And we're looking for the one that's addressed justifying both sides of our margin, so both 2 straight edges down. Again, remember that all sections need to be justified both sides to get this one ticked off. Sometimes you'll find if you just sort of scroll down through your lab report, you might just have one paragraph that this hasn't been done to. Just be mindful of that. Need to include page numbers. Notice here the page numbers are written at the bottom. We do that by just going up to the Insert tab at the top, and we insert page numbers. You can see it here, bottom of page, and then bottom right hand side of page. So you need to have those page numbers on there. And again, we've got the clear headings already discussed with the when I talked about the consistency of font type and size. Need those headings. The headings have already been given to you in your academic discourse marking criteria, same as on the rubric. Need to have those same headings clearly visible for the reader.